Good morning, welcome to eRepair. So today I am working on a Samsung ChromeBook. I have not done one of these models before, but I'd imagine they're quite straightforward. So this is a 303C. I don't know much about it. One of my neighbours bought it and they needed a new screen put in it. So they've ordered a screen, they bought the laptop, and they've asked me if I'd mind just giving it the once over. So I said, yeah, absolutely fine. So today we're working on this. I'd imagine, I've had other netbooks, Chromebooks in the past, so I'd imagine it's going to be much the same. I already know it's got a smash screen. It's pretty apparent it's got a smash screen as well. So we're going to get that done. Probably 5-10 minutes at the most it will take. It's really not a long job. As far as I can see, it's all in working order. Again, I've given it a quick once over and can't see any issues. So first thing we need to do is get this bezel off. I would imagine by the looks of things, you could probably do it with a pry tool or probably just your fingernails like I have. There you go. So just being fairly careful because the plastic is quite skinny and I would imagine it's probably going to snap if we're not. So that's done and off. Pop that to one side. So let's have a quick look. It looks like it's just 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've got the new second-hand screen here as well. So by the looks of it, it's just the 4 as well. Give them that. So I think we'll just get smashing and get this undone. I'm hoping that it will just drop forward and be a really super easy repair. Ordinarily, I disconnect the battery, but I don't think it's going to make any difference because this thing's turned off anyway. Let's just do that number 4 screw. Whoop. That's good. Right, this is just going to pull forward, that is the question. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of adhesive back there, but yes it is. So there we go, there's our screen. Looks like someone's detached this before, given that there's tape stuck all over that. Interesting. So we'll just pull this little clip up and push it away from us, and that's our old screen detached. So simple as that, one screen out. Stick that off to one side. New screen. So this is pre-loved. It was 20 or 30 quid on eBay, as far as I know. I had a quick look as well, I couldn't see them any cheaper. So again, just line everything up and it should just slot in. And then clip down. Assuming I've got everything in the right place. There we go. So let's just pop this back into place. And what we'll do, I've just knocked the power button as well. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but the screen has just come straight on. Perfect. So that's all in there. So let's just get this buttoned up. That should take 2 minutes. Again, we just need to do the reverse of what we've already done. So 4 screws back in. So there's number 1. Number 2. And 3 and 4. So, I mean, literally this whole process has taken me 4 minutes. I haven't got a video yet. It's really not a complicated repair in the slightest. Grab our bezel. You just need to line it back up and clip it in. It's really not tricky. So we'll just do that. It should just click. Let's just turn this off as well. Like that. And then what I like to do is just push it flat, and then you can usually see if there's any gaps anywhere you've not clipped it down. There we are, there's one. I'll just give it one final go across the bottom, like so, and that's it. Simple wimple. So yeah, as I say, it's really not a complicated process. The whole thing should take you no more than sort of 5 minutes at the very most to do. I've managed to fit that screen in no time, and it's now all working and in perfect order. So really as simple as that. So if you found this useful, please drop me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe. The channel is slowly building, which is great because it means I can buy more and do more. So hopefully you're starting to see a little bit more content come in week by week. But yes, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.